if it is not possible to fail, right? Remember I was talking about that, right? So if we can only create, listen to this. What would you attempt to do if you knew you could not fail? If that was really true that you could not fail, what would you attempt to do? Do you understand? That's a space creating question. It's like, wow, I could do anything. That's right. You can, in fact, do anything. When you put your mind to it, you can create anything. So if whatever you put your mind into, so your mind, right, creates whatever. It's like water coming out of a hose. That's what consciousness is. And you have this water coming out of your hose, right? And whatever you put this water on, that blooms. So if you notice water coming out of a hose, you put it on a plant, then the plant grows. You put it on grass, it grows. You know, you drink it, it makes you grow. Now you take this water and you can put it into the drain also, and then it goes down the drain. Well, it's the same thing with your consciousness, right? Whatever you put, right? Whatever you use your consciousness for, your consciousness manifests that. So if you put in there negative stuff, you create negative stuff. It's like when I was raised in Colombia, South America, and when I was a kid, I was told this very wise saying. El que entre la caca anda, la caca se le pega. Now what that means in English is this. If you walk in poopies, poopies sticks to you. It's so true. So if you hang around negative people, what happens? You become negative. If you hang around critical people, what happens? You become critical. If you hang around people who are dead, what happens? You become dead. It works the other way around. You hang around people who are willing, what happens? You become willing. You hang around people who are working on themselves, you begin to work on yourself. It's like, how many of you have noticed that since Thursday, you're becoming a little more willing from Thursday to now? It's like you're a little more, why is that? Because you're hanging around in this environment with people who are willing.